WuHan pneumonia or WuHan SARS. The coronavirus death toll rises to 17 as experts consider declaring a public health emergency. It's a pandemic. We should close off all borders to China. And their Chunyun is coming. There's going to be a lot of spread. The death toll from a new global virus, the Wuhan pandemic, or Wuhan SARS, rose to at least 17 on Wednesday as experts from around the world gathered in Switzerland to determine how to manage the ominous outbreak. China has identified more than 500 cases and all the deaths mostly in and around the city of Wuhan. The virus has spread to other parts of China, and cases have been confirmed in the US, Thailand, South Korea, Japan, and Taiwan. They forgot Singapore. Singapore has 7 cases. And if you look on the first map I posted, yes, it covers almost half of China. And you know how they're going to spread? It's going to be like ASFV, the whole of China. Tish Pearl, a coronavirus expert at Utah Southwestern Medical Center in Dallas, said, health officials should take seriously the threat of virus spreading across USA. We don't know the magnitude of this outbreak, but we know from previous outbreaks that coronaviruses can spread very quickly. Pearl told USA Today some people may not know they are infected. The World Health Organization's Emergency Committee meeting in Geneva will make a recommendation on whether the outbreak constitutes a public health emergency of international concern, a PHEIC. The WHO Director General Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus has the final say. He could then issue recommendations to countries on guidelines to combat the new virus, meaning to say it's a pandemic and a contagion. The US representative at the WHO meeting is Martin Citron, who heads the Division of Global Migration and Quarantine at the CDC. WHO has been here before, recommending emergency declarations made for outbreaks of SARS, MERS, Ebola, Zika, and the ASFV swine flu, many of which China has. The timing could not be worse. The Lunar New Year is Saturday, and hundreds of millions of people across Asia travel in packed buses, trains, and planes to celebrate. Chinese health officials have urged the 11 million residents of Wuhan not to leave the city, to avoid crowds as much as possible, and to wear masks in public places. Ending note: please practice clean measures like washing your hands, wear a mask, safety measures, and please do not spit on the ground where people can walk on and carry this Wuhan virus. Please do not eat flying rats, which are bats, or bamboo rats. It's bad omen for the year of the rat.